Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now in last video we have seen how to create node in Doubly Linked List. In this video we are going to learn the code for inserting a node at the beginning of the linked list. For this code I am using the same code that we have discussed in last video, that is creation of a node, that is create node function. I am directly using that code here. Okay, so if you haven't gone through that video, then first learn that video and then you can continue to have study with this code. Okay, so let's start. So this is the function which will add the node at the beginning of the linked list. Okay, so first we will see whether there is any node present in the linked list. If we have already made linked list, then we have to insert the node at the beginning of the linked list. If we don't have the linked list exists, then the new inserting node will act as a head as well as tail node. Okay, so because here we have 2 pointers, so we need to consider both head as well as tail. Okay, so let's start with the first statement. So I have created here the one function that is void insert at beginning. Okay, so this is nothing but underscore insert underscore at underscore beginning, and it also take one parameter, that is data, which will be passed as a parameter from the main function. Okay, so data takes any value. Suppose consider here we are inserting node 1. Okay, means data takes value as 1. Okay, so first what we should do, so first we have the code of creation of a node that we have learned in last video. Link is in description box if you want to go through that video. Okay, so struct node star new node. I have created one pointer of the node structure. Okay, is equal to create node, and it takes the parameter as data. Okay, so this function returns a node that will be stored in the new node. Okay, so this is one pointer, and the node returned from this function will be saved in the new node pointer. Got it? Okay, so for creation of a node, here data will take one value that is passed from this parameter. Okay, first we have to check the condition, that is whether we have head node present in the linked list or not, or we have already existing linked list or not. Okay, so for that purpose we check if head is equal to null, then we have to add the new node that will act as a head as well as tail node. Okay, so if head is equal to node null, then we will make the new node as a head node as well as tail node. Okay, so if suppose we don't have any node present in the linked list, that's why I have copied the value of new node as a head node as well as a tail node. Okay, so new node will be assigned as head and new node will be assigned as tail also. Okay, and if suppose we have already existing a linked list, doubly linked list, then we have to insert the node at the beginning of the list. Okay, so if this is not the condition, then it will go to else part. That's why, so we have to insert the new node that is already created and returned here. Okay, so its data will be, that is the node created is like this only, and here I have to attach this node at the beginning of the list. Okay, so what will be the changes we have to do here? So we have to attach this here, so this will be 1, and now the next field will store the address of the head node that is already present here. Okay, so this is our new node. Okay, so I want to change the pointer of next field of new node to the already existing head node. Okay, so I'll copy, instead of this null, I will copy the address of head node into the new node's next field. Okay, so new node tends to next is equal to head, and again here we have head node's previous pointer as null, but we have to change it to new node. Okay, means what? This field will store the address of new node. Okay, so that will get updated. So head's previous field will get updated with the address of new node. Okay, so this statement will change the address of previous field, and this statement will change the address of next field of the new node. Okay, now instead of this node, now the new node will act as a head node. So we have to assign head position to the new node. Okay, so that's why the new node will get copied in the head node, and now here onwards the new node will act as a head node. So this statement will work for the replacement of new head node. Okay, so here all the assignments and replacements are done. So now I have attached newly created node at the beginning of the list. Okay, so this will act as our newly created doubly linked list. Okay, now here we will end up with the insert at beginning function. Okay, hope so you have understood how we have created a single node, and that single node will be added at the beginning of the existing linked list, how we have updated the pointer fields, how we have assigned a newly created head node. Okay, so if you have any queries, then please do comment, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.